Hi guys! So, magbablog ako ngayon. So is, wait lang. Parang wala akong isip. Alam ko na. Lo, sino naglagay dito? Friday. Sino naglagay dito? Hindi ko alam kung sino naglagay. Kapon kasi is Thursday. Hindi ko na. Baka kasi siya mawala o kaya mabasag. Tingnan mo, parang babasagin. Bawal patakin. Meron ba dito ang libro? Ito.
Discover how to effectively service clients' needs while upholding the highest standards of professionalism and stay up to date on the latest industry trends. By completing the Investment Foundation Certificate, you'll work more confidently and effectively, distinguish yourself in the job market, and open doors to new opportunities. You'll also earn a digital badge and certificate that you can proudly share with your network. And the best part, you can learn at your own pace, whenever it's convenient for you. Our user-friendly digital platform ensures a seamless and flexible
Guys! Naka-ring light, kaya maliwanag. Sana, try mo buhayin yun. Diba?
Liwanag.
So, pinatay mo.
Okay lang naman. Ingay, ang liwanag.
Napakaliwanag. Ito maliwanag. Tapos yung isa, napakaliwanag. Right?
Andiyan na si Nitsa.
I know.
Kailan dumating?
I don't know. Kasi
Kanina lang.
napaka-whole day namin sa school.
Anong ginawa niyo?
Magsulat, tapos pagkatapos na magsulat, umog-og.
Bakit? Tutulog.
Hindi. Gaganto lang daw.
Kailangan niyo ng nap time. It's called nap time.
Ano yung nap time?
Tutulog lang. I-edit lang ng mga 5 minutes.
Yes, that's right! Sana, meron pa ba ditong mga kagamitan?
Na?
Hindi napapakita.
Hindi ko alam.
Nasaan nga yung macarons na yung pabango?
Wala ba? Dami na.
Okay. Gagantuhan ko lang katahana nung ayan.
Wala, hindi na ito nagana.
Ito na lang. Dito bawal sulatan.
Pwede.
Okay.
Our journey began with a perseveration to expand our knowledge and skills in the world of finance. Through the competition, we had the opportunity to learn from various financial experts, communicate and negotiate with other talented teams, and most importantly, gain real-time experience in trading that we will cherish forever. Participating in this competition has been an incredible experience for all of us. It has not only sharpened our financial acumen, but it has also
Look
strengthened
at
our
my-
ability to collaborate as a team.
Tanan sa
Doesn't be without hurdles.
English yung
We face
sulat.
challenges, such as not
Huh?
being able to complete
Look at
transactions
my
due
right
to
in the
unforeseen
paper.
events. These
Ay,
moments
paper.
test our patience
In
and
the
adaptability. They also push us to grow.
papel na lang, mas mabuti pa. I wish I'm super smart. Wishing.
Why? Why do
Because
you wish?
I want to be a good brain and a good child.
You are a good child if you are not super smart. Even if you are not super
I'm smart little bit.
At least you're smart.
Yeah. So let's hide in the cabinet, or I don't know. That's my wishing. Sana ba't kasunod ng 59? 1, tapos kasunod 101, 102. Ba't ganun?
Ba yung gagayon lang yung orasan.
Sa video, guys, yung video dito is 6:14. 6:50 na, is 6:18, 6:19, 6:20. Ayoko na! Para ako si Wednesday. Nagatihan na hindi nakasmile si Wednesday.
Ano lang.
Na ganito lang. Ganito nga siya malungkot. Kara! September 27, 2024.
Hello again, everyone. I hope you're enjoying our sessions so far. As we approach the end of our break, we have some exciting news to share. Before we wrap up this break and dive back into our next segment, it's time again for a raffle. We have some fantastic prizes lined up, and I can't
sana
wait to see
mabunot ako
who
sa
the lucky
raffle.
winners
Tumatahan na
are.
sa ulo ko na yung ganito.
If you see
Do,
your name on the
re,
screen,
mi,
please
fa,
raise your hand.
sol, la,
And the
ti,
winners
do.
are, drum
Ano?
roll, please.
Nice ah. Hindi ko alam yan.
Kanina
Miss
naman sa
Elfie.
ulo. Nasa ulo ko na nga.
Cyril Faye Silva, congratulations! You won a CFA in
Guys,
CFA Society
matalino na
jacket.
ako ngayon. Kaya ko na sa uluhin yung do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Gamit ang
And for
aking
our second winner,
kamay. Ano siya, madali lang.
Jason
Kahit
John
walang tinginan,
Anunuevo,
kaya ko.
fantastic. You'll also be
So, di ba nakita
receiving
niyo
a
na?
CFA
Panoorin nyo na
Society
mamaya
jacket.
pagka-upload ko ng video na to.
Don't be sad if you
Okay?
didn't win this time.
Makinig
There are
kayo.
plenty of exciting prizes coming up. We have more fantastic giveaways
So,
lined up
guys,
tomorrow.
dito
So
na
make sure to
magtatapos
join us
ang
for day
ating
2 of
video.
GFIS 2024.
So, ngayon
You
is
won't want to miss out on the fun and the
bye-bye.
opportunity to win
So,
some
may part ko pa
amazing
to.
prizes.
Hintayin nyo lang. Bye.
Welcome back, everyone. We hope you're refreshed